Okay, so now this time let me discuss on how you can upload a new list from an existing to an existing campaign, and also how to create a new campaign list. Okay, so obviously you have to go to the campaigns tab. All right, so how do we create a campaign? So let's say you already have existing campaigns, but how do you create a new one? So obviously right here there's a button that says create a new campaign. um, the first option right here is load settings from. If you already have existing campaigns and you just simply want to follow their settings, like how many lines, active lines working all at the same time, if you would want to have a recording turned on, those sort of things, you could follow that settings by just clicking whatever settings you want to follow. So let's say you want to follow the settings of the 2017-2018 athletes, which has been previously uploaded in our system. So just hit load. So the settings will now be copied, but again, we're now trying to create a new campaign. So let's say new campaign right here. Description, just say new campaign, and then caller ID name. So whatever caller ID you'd like to appear on your prospect send. So let's say just caller ID, and then let's say that's your current number. Okay, now limits. This is gonna be pre-filled if you have loaded a specific setting, but if I guess I discussed this over a while ago, if you want to limit users, limit this specific campaign to just some other agents, you just click limit users and then hit the names of the people you'd like to have or shared access with over this campaign. You don't want to do that, but you can opt to. And options, the last thing. Since this specific campaign, I have set the dialers to 2 active lines dialing all at the same time. It has been pre-filled, but you can still opt to change it, get it to 3, and then the wait time for in between calls is 7. Answering machine detection has been turned on, and then recording features has been turned on. So let's say I'm gonna save this campaign. So what did I name it again? It's new campaign. Okay, so here now the new campaign that I just created has been added over to the campaign list. Now the next thing that I'm gonna teach you is how to upload a list. So it's either you add a list on those existing campaigns. So it's basically the same adding and then uploading a new list into a specific campaign. All you have to do is click this plus sign, which says upload contacts. Now, next thing you want to do, I assume at this point, if you are trying to upload a file, you already have a CSV file downloaded or saved in your computer. Okay, all you have to do is click load CSV file. So let's say I have this one. This is already a CSV file. Next thing you want to do is a CSV file of the list. Okay, hit open. All right, next, all you have to do at this point is map the field. So this one, the lead source, you don't want to we mainly want to focus on the company name, their name. Their name could either be in one field, it could be either a whole full name in one field, or a separate first and last name. On this example, they have a separate, their first and last name has been separated. So we want to use their company name, their email address, and their phone number. Okay, so this is company, basically. This is called mapping. Okay, first name, this is John, so you put first name, last name. This one you want to ignore, this one you want to ignore. This is the phone number that we need. So phone number. Okay. And aside from that, I think all else is good. You could also use this. No, not anymore, because you already have a phone number here, right here. Okay. Now, check randomize, check prevent duplicates phone number in file. So you don't want to upload phone number twice in the same campaign. You also wanna, this is an option where if you would check prevent duplicate phone numbers in enabled campaign, if a specific number on this list that you're trying to upload is already on a separate campaign, if you don't want that number to be uploaded, all you have to do is click on this. You also want to check, make sure scrub against our do not call list, and then finally hit I am allowed to call this contacts. And scrub mobile prefixes, we don't want to do that. Next, you want to upload. Hit upload. I'm not going to do so because this has been uploaded already. Now, I'm not sure if you would have access over to the email. Most likely yes, but as soon as a list has already been successfully uploaded, you will be receiving an email stating how many successful lead uploads have been done. Also, it will an email will that email will tell you how many leads has not been uploaded due to specific reasons. Okay, and I think that's it for uploading and creating uploading lists and creating a new campaign. Thanks, guys.